Hello and welcome to the BigBasket channel. Saving money brings a lot of joy, no matter how big or small the value is. So let's multiply this joy by knowing or reminding ourselves with some simple tips and tricks to save money. Also guess how much approximate money I end up saving every month with the tips I'm going to tell you about. Your options are 6,000, 8,000 or 9,000. You can start ASAP, and how? Just guess the answer correctly in the comment section and you can win free groceries from the BigBasket channel. But do make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's start with the first tip. Cleaning is a part of our day-to-day needs, and so are the cleaning supplies. But instead of buying cleaning supplies for every single thing, getting into the practice of making our DIY cleaners can help save some money. A simple solution of baking soda, water and vinegar mix is an effective DIY cleaner to clean many things. I use this mixture to clean most of the parts of my house, especially for my day-to-day dusting. We already have a detailed video on DIY kitchen cleaning tips on the channel, which is linked in the description box below. Do check that video for saving money on cleaning supplies. It's often the initial friction of cooking that forces us to either eat out or order food from outside. In both the cases, the expenditure is too much. I feel meal prepping and keeping a few food options handy at home is the easiest way to save a lot of money at home. Preparing food from scratch takes more time than cooking, and if this very thought of spending too much time on cooking restricts you from cooking meals at home, try prepping simple food items in advance to cut down on that cooking time. Preparation can vary depending on individual choices and requirements. Still, a few basic preps can involve things like making purees in advance, peeling and cutting a few veggies, cleaning and chopping a few herbs, etc. With a few prep done ahead of time, I could put together a hearty and quick lunch within no time. Talking of bigger savings, another area at home where we can save huge in the longer run is buying sustainable products. The products that come with a longer vision of sustainability and hence can last you for years to come. Good quality stainless steel cookwares are your one-time purchases for the entire life. Non-stick or poor quality cookware comes with a shorter lifespan and calls for replacement now and then. This means you're spending the money again on repurchasing the same item. Instead, sustainable cookwares like steel or cast iron are categories that don't ask for any replacement if maintained well. Rather, these are the cookware that will last you a lifetime and can even be passed to the next generation. Grocery shopping brings major expenses, but there are many ways one can save money here. The first one is buying frequently consumed items in bulk. Buying bigger packets of supplies like rice and flour is comparatively cheaper than the smaller packets. Next, grocery stores usually keep some sales and offers running on different products. Do inquire about them at the cash counter before making a final payment. Always be mindful that processed food comes with an additional cost of processing. Processing food at home and creating our own food helps in saving a lot of money on our grocery bills. Roasting food items at home, making our own salad dressings, and churning our nut butter takes less time but saves us from spending extra money. Similarly, making homemade spice mixes from whole spices is more economical than buying store-bought spice packets. Another way to save money on groceries is by opting for store in-house alternatives than the branded ones, as the in-house production will always be marked at a lower cost in any shopping mart. The simplest, easiest, and most ancient way of saving money is by reusing and repurposing the items that already exist with us. Instead of buying a new set of containers, reuse the ones that come with the grocery and make your own container collection. Many times I compare prices and pick specially those groceries that come with containers. If you have just bought some new plates, then use the old ones as a water tray under your plant pots. Or if there is a bed sheet with lost or torn pillow cover, you can always use it as a dining table cover or work table cover. And you will suddenly revamp your house corner without spending any extra money. Comparing prices before shopping can help in saving quite a lot of money, and an easy comparison can come with online shopping. But not just that, online shopping comes with multiple perks. First, it saves fuel and parking cost as shopping happens right sitting at home. Next, there'll always be discounts and offers going on with online shopping, especially the items that are on the expensive side. Lastly, some sites offer credit scores or points that can further cut cost on your next online purchases. So, in totality, online shopping is a complete win-win when it comes to saving money. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do add your suggestions on saving money in the comment section below, along with the answer to the giveaway question. But as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the BigBasket channel to be eligible for the giveaway. And with that note, I'll take my leave, but see you all very soon.